Hi there! Back already? That's quick. Anywho, today we're going to learn how to add a QuickView portlet to a page on your DivePort site. QuickView portlets are incredibly useful for unifying control over multiple data visualizations on a single page. Let's begin by setting up the QuickView portlet.
In this demonstration, you'll learn how to add a QuickView portlet to a page on your DivePort site. A QuickView portlet provides a way to consolidate QuickViews from multiple portlets on a page. For example, let's say you're a beverage distributor and you have two marker portlets on a page. Each marker portlet uses the same underlying data, but the data in each is organized in a slightly different way. One marker portlet compares year-to-date and last year-to-date information for revenue, decimal cases, and number of accounts sold, and organizes it by sales team. The other marker portlet shows similar information but organized by top 10 accounts. The marker files in both portlets contain the same three QuickViews: a supplier QuickView, a brand QuickView, and a sales manager QuickView. The QuickViews appear at the top of each marker portlet. The QuickViews control the display of information in their respective portlets. For example, when we change the value on the brand QuickView to anchor steam in the top 10 accounts section to see which accounts bought the most anchor steam, the data in that section is updated, but the information in the sales team section remains unchanged. If we want this change in brand to affect both the sales team performance data and the top 10 accounts information, we can use a QuickView portlet to consolidate the two groups of QuickViews into one. Now when we select Anchor Steam using the brand QuickView in the QuickView portlet, we see the effects in both marker portlets. Let's return to the original page and add a QuickView portlet to it. We'll start by clicking Edit, clicking the chevron, and selecting Add a Portlet. The Add Portlet gallery opens. Next, we'll scroll down to the Data section and choose QuickView. The Edit QuickView Portlet wizard opens. Next, we'll click Add a QuickView. A list of the QuickViews found in the portlets on the current page appears. We want to add all the available QuickViews to our portlet, so we'll select all of them and click OK. An updated view of the wizard page appears, and the QuickViews we chose are now listed in the QuickViews box. Let's position the QuickView labels so that they appear above the QuickView boxes instead of to the left of the boxes. Everything looks good here, so we can now click OK. The QuickView portlet appears at the top of the screen. We'll use a drag and drop operation to reposition the portlet. Now we can save our changes. The QuickView portlet appears below the heading and above the two marker portlets, and the two original sets of QuickViews are now gone. Now if we use, say, the supplier QuickView to filter out information on Anheuser-Busch, the data in both the sales team and top 10 accounts sections is updated accordingly. Note that you can also use a QuickView portlet to add QuickView sets created with Spectre. So that's how you add a QuickView portlet to a page. You navigate to the page, enter Edit mode and select Add a Portlet, select QuickView, Click Add a QuickView. Select the QuickViews you want to use to control the display of data on the page, reposition the portlet, and save your changes.
That wraps up our tutorial about adding a QuickView portlet to your DivePort page. By correctly using QuickViews, you simplify the user experience, making it easier to interact with and analyze your data. If you have any questions or need more details about enhancing your DivePort page with more functionalities, feel free to leave a comment below. Hopefully see you in our next session, somewhere in the very near future. Until then, dive safe.